Stay over here. This one like stretches out when it's walking. Like I'm seeing a little bulge on the butthole right there.
Uh oh, he's gonna poop.
I don't know. I'm seeing a bulge on the butthole in an empty litter box.